Welcome to TRI here at Productronica. I'm delighted to be joined by Tom Tu, who's the Regional Sales Director for the company. Nice to see you, Tom.
Nice to see you too.
Okay. Very unusual year this year, but let's talk about some of the things you've been doing over the last 2 years at TRI. You've obviously been busy developing your platforms. We're standing here in front of your 3D SPI system. Tell us a little bit about what you've been doing.
Right. For the last 2 years, we have made some improvements based on our older models, solder paste inspection machines. So this year we have came out with the brand new model. We call it the 7700DI Plus, and this is a dual projector system, and we do offer a higher accuracy models called it's the quad projector as well. Mm-hmm. So this dual projectors offers 100% shadow free, so that you have all the 3D measurements around the pads.
Yeah, you can see a nice image of a solder brick there. Yeah,
you can actually see the solder ball as well.
Right, exactly. So you say dual projector or quad projector. Right. So the quad projector is to get higher resolution. What sort of resolution can you get down to?
Not the higher resolution, but higher accuracy. That means you have more 3D data into the projector for calculations. Mm-hmm. So that the more 3D data you get, the better accuracy you have in terms of measurements. Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. So any other upgrades you've made to the SPI?
Right. The another improvement that we have made on the DI Plus is that the motion systems that we have changed from what we call the Syntec motion system to a CAT-based, Ethernet CAT-based.
Okay.
So what it does is the Ethernet CAT offers a fast response from any motion failures. So you can do a quick failure diagnosis. So it's very important to have these type of communication.
So it's a faster communication backbone to extract the data. Okay, excellent. Okay. Now next to you we've got the 3D AOI. It's the TR7700 Q
series.
Yeah.
All right. Again, you see this Q means a quad projector as well. So it comes as a standard quad projector. This is the second series of our single camera 3D AOI systems. Mm-hmm. And this offers speed up to 55 square centimeter per second. So it's quite fast.
That is fast.
A speed. Mm-hmm. It's at a high level. So this is one of our hot selling 3D AOIs in the last two years. Mm-hmm. Exactly.
Okay.
So the Q Series 2 was introduced about two years ago, right? Where the first series came out with the white projector, the white lighting fringe projectors. And this, the Series 2, we get the blue fringe projectors. So that blue will eliminate a lot of noises.
Will that also deal with shiny devices and things like that?
For the shiny devices, all the fringe projectors are not capable of doing that. You know, so you'll get a lot of 3D data loss because you won't be able to see it.
Right.
So in addition, to solve that problem is adding additional laser, which we offer. The laser, it's a laser beam that we can add on top of our system, into the system. So you'll be able to measure the shiny or flexy reflective components.
I see. And you'll be able to measure the coplanarity as well?
Absolutely, yes.
Yeah, okay. So what's been happening on the X-ray front? Because your X-rays are, of course, all in line.
Yes, most of our...
And a lot of the issues around X-ray historically have been trying to get the resolution to keep up with the line speed.
Sure.
How are you getting on with that?
Right. We do offer two types of X-ray technologies. Okay, the first one we call it the dynamic scanning.
Mm-hmm.
This is for the higher throughputs,
Mm-hmm.
for customers who is willing to, or they want to have a high throughput, so that means a faster cycle time.
Right.
So, and also for the customer who would like to inspect the whole complete board
Right.
using the X-ray system.
Right.
So that is the best system for that.
So that's using almost like a line scanning technique.
Exactly, left and right, left and right.
Right. Right.
So, and the speed can vary from the high resolution of down to what, 5 micron resolution, all the way up to 30 or 40, depends on your component height.
Okay. Great. Great. Okay. And then you've got another one for looking at just smaller areas of interest.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
The other type of system we call the circular scan, which was done with the flat panel systems that is more focused on areas of interest. For example, the BGAs or QFNs or IC leads, all that. So I would say 50-50. Customer who bought each of these type of systems, it depends what they need. So we do offer both solutions.
Good, good. And just finally, before we end, Tom, I just want to make a quick mention of the fact that you're doing a lot of work in the semiconductor side as well. So you're getting your resolutions down to an incredible 3.5 micron accuracy.
Actually, we have, well, in the last 2 years, we have been focusing on the semiconductor industry as well, especially the back-end package systems. These type of machines, well, it's the same platform that you see right in front of us here.
Yeah.
And these type of system can be upgraded. What you have here is a 10 micron resolution. We can upgrade it down all the way to 2.5 micron resolution.
Wow.
Okay, these are for the wafer inspections, as well as
that type of thing.
the wire bonding inspections.
Great. Well, you're certainly keeping up with the times, Tom. So
Thank you.
I want to thank you for giving us a run through and the latest stuff from TRI.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.